Hi, Mathis Connor here with Connor Management Group, and it is Wednesday, November 20th, 2013. This week we're going to look at a low price growth stock to buy, and it's in the networking and communications devices industry, and we see the 12-month upside potential at 25.8%. Going to the next slide, we see that the name of the company is Juniper Networks, and the ticker symbol is JNPR. Some of their quick facts. Juniper Networks is a leading provider of high-performance network infrastructure. They design and develop products and services for routing, switching, security, application access, and mobile device security. The company operates in two segments: its Platform Systems Division and its Software Solutions Division. Their website is www.juniper, that's JUNIPER.net. The company is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California. They were founded in 1996, and they have 9,234 employees. Juniper operates in the technology sector, and once again, their industry is networking and communications devices. Over the last 12 months, Juniper's annual revenue has been $4.5 billion, and the net income is $384 million. The cash from operations is $607 million, and their market capitalization is $9.95 billion. That's a lot of growth for a company founded back in 1996. And just as a side note, over the last 5 years, Juniper's sales has grown on average a little over 13% per year. So they've been a pretty fast-growing company. On to the products and services slide. There's not too much to show. I mean, this is a hardware company, so a lot of stuff that they make and install are electronic boxes. But on the slide, you've got their logo, Juniper Networks. And we've got a couple of clips from their web pages with some of their phrases they use: physical foundation for a virtual world. You can have visibility without the vulnerability. Boost your data center, with 10 GBE. We're here for one reason: to help customers build the best. So, just kind of some phrases and a couple pictures of some of their boxes. The company CEO is Kevin Johnson. Some of their metrics. As mentioned, their annual revenue the last 12 months has been $4.5 billion, and the net income has been $384 million. Their operating margins have been improving. In 2012, the operating margins were at 14%, and this year in 2013, it's tracking to be 18%. And once again, the cash from operations is $607 million. That's quite a bit of change there. The trailing PE ratio is 26.7, and the forward PE ratio is 14.4. So the earnings are expected to expand quite a bit. The PEG ratio is at 1.1, definitely a reasonable level. The price to sales at 2.1, also quite reasonable, as is their price to book at 1.3. And the enterprise value to EBITDA, not bad at all, also at 10.0. So the valuation numbers are pretty reasonable. I mean, the trailing PE right now at 26.7, some people could say that's a bit rich, but it is expected to decline quite a bit over the next 12 months. Their recent closing price, they closed today at $19.90, and the price has ranged over the last 52 weeks from a low of $15.62 to a high of $22.98. The average volume for Juniper Networks has been 5.8 million shares per day. The beta has been 2.4, so this company moves significantly more than the market when the market moves, and the dividend yield is 0%. I mean, This has basically been a growth company. They don't pay out any dividends. So taking a look at Juniper's chart, back in the beginning of February, the stock price was around $22. It declined in the end of May. Well, it declined in the beginning of May to around $16, and from there, in early August, it accelerated up to about $22, and from early August, it's bounced up and down a bit to where it is right now at $19.90. So overall, the price pattern has been flat, I would say, for the year. Now, the financial statement quality is quite good. They have quite a bit of cash, and their debt is quite manageable and spread out over the next 5 years. The price pattern trend, as mentioned, is flat. Our model's overall market outlook is still bearish. We see more overvalued names than undervalued. But that being said, the model's 12-month price target for Juniper is $25.04. So with a recent closing price from $19.90 to an expected price of $25.04, that's a nice 12-month potential that we see at 25.8%. So Juniper Networks is an interesting opportunity. I mean, sales have been growing steadily, and strong financial statements. Earnings are expected to expand. The operating margins are improving. So this is stock worth taking a close look at. All right, and wrapping it up, we're just here to remind you that if you haven't signed up for our Saturday morning newsletter, please do so. Just go to www.gmcstockpicks.com and sign up there, and you'll be among the first to hear about new investment opportunities that you won't hear anywhere else. And these opportunities are the result of using our own self-developed proprietary algorithms. And as we've been telling you, we're new on the block, and we intend to show everyone just how good we are. So don't miss out and go sign up for the newsletter. All right, that's all we got for this week, and talk to you soon. Take care.